Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, we're going to be making a crayon resist painting. Let's get started. To begin, on the back of our paper, we're going to make sure our name is on it and our class code, or how we can read it. This information is very important because if you have to leave your paper in the art room to dry, I need the class code and your name to make sure I can get it back to you. Now, on the front side of our paper, we're going to do some lines with our crayons. I recommend using colors and white for this. So, I'm going to start by doing a zigzag line. Now, do you guys see the white that's been left behind right there? I want to make sure I'm going over that really hard. That's what's really going to help my crayon have a resist the paint and show through. And you can do different line styles. I want to make sure you press down really hard like that. We can leave a few lines lighter and test out what the difference looks like. So there's one. I'm going to do a light line over here and an even lighter line right here, just to test that out. I could also do, I'm going to do like a little oval circle, just to add a little variety and fun. Do y'all see these little bits of crayon that I'm leaving behind? That's what I'm going to be looking for on your paper. If I can see those little bits of crayon on your paper, I know that you're pressing down nice and hard and the crayon's going to resist really nicely. I know white's a little hard to see, but that's something I'm going to be looking for. Let's check out another color. Let's do a diagonal line. Again, pressing really hard, and let's mix it with another color. I think these will look really pretty together. There's some white, little bit of white left behind. I really want to press the crayon down and get in there as much as possible, leaving as little white behind. And I'm going to leave a white space. And do a white line right next to it. Okay, so I have some lines. You can definitely do more. You could add different shapes, like if you want to do a heart, it's totally up to you what you want to do. In fact, this gives me an idea. What if I do almost like a yin-yang thing? If you have a shape that's in white, you want to be sure to color in your shape. Alright, so here I've pressed down really hard. Then I have some light and even lighter line examples just to test out. With your paintbrush, you're going to get it wet with the water. And on your paint, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to give us a little bit of a crayon resist right there. You see how that green is really popping out? It's doing pretty okay over here, but on the light one, it's kind of covered up. Let's keep going and see what happens. What if I want to make my paint darker in color? Instead of just counting to 5, I'm going to count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, did you notice that I was whisper counting that time? If you want to count, you are welcome to, but you need to be sure to be whisper counting to yourself in the art room. Oh, it's looking good. Let's do even more. Now, I'm not pressing down on the paint. I'm just having the paintbrush kind of swirl dance on the paint for, 5 to 10 seconds. Ooh, that time it was like even longer. Add a little more water and spread out that color. I love seeing the secret white areas be revealed as I paint. It's so fun. Now, some of us, depending on our class, will have more than one color. Make sure to have your paintbrush be clean. Do you see how that was kind of clear of water right there? Then I know I'm ready to move on to another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are welcome to blend color on your paper, but you may not blend color and mix colors in the cup. If I see you mixing colors in the cup, I will take them away from you and you will only get one color of paint. Let's say I want to switch back over to blue. I'm going to clean off my brush, dab, dab, that's nice and clean. Now I can switch over to blue. Out of water. Ooh, fun. All right, let's see. Can I switch over to this other color? Ooh, do you see how that's blue right there? I should not switch over. I should first kind of swirl this around. I don't need to tap on it. Don't tap on it. That would just make lots of splatters. Go like this and see how it's clear now. So I can now switch over to another color. Now this paint, you can see right here, it's kind of broken up. This plastic piece at the bottom, that's not paint. It's this piece over here, or this piece. These broken pieces, this is really great paint right here. You just have to use your paintbrush and kind of, not push on it, don't push on it. Just lightly have it dance around on the paint. And you get that bright color. Another drop of water. Ooh, yes. I really love how these colors blend together on the paper nicely. All right, let's wait. Yeah, I'm ready to move to blue. Gotta make sure. You can kind of see it on your painting too sometimes. If you're running out of paint, it gets lighter and lighter, you just go back to the paint that you want to go to. If it's really dark, be sure to use up that paint. And then switch over to a new color once you've used it. Don't waste the paint. Use the paint. Lightened up right there, just a little bit more. And voila, we have our crayon recess. So now I'm going to clean off my brush and lay it down to rest. I'm going to leave this at my desk and start leaning up and getting ready to go. If I've got any paint on the table on accident, that's okay. I just need to wipe it up and make sure my area is clean. Please don't ever waste the paint on purpose. It's not okay. I can't wait to see what you'll create in the classroom. Till next time, keep being creative.